Today we are potting up some pear seeds that we germinated in the fridge, and I thought, you know what? I'll take you along and show you how we did it. We mix up our own potting soil from various things, some of which is scavenged and some of which is not. And today we are using a cement mixer to mix things up. This is a mixture of pine bark, pine shreds, some lime, some waste from peanut hulls and peanut processing, and then a little bit of topsoil mixed in. So it's a pretty good mix that's way cheaper than what we would buy if we were going to buy it by the yard. Here are some pears that were planted on October 1st, 2023, and they have been sitting in the refrigerator since then. We are almost at the very end of January, so that tells you how long it took. But I'll show you here what we have. See how those little sprouts? Those are baby pear trees, right out of the refrigerator. You have your little sprouts out of the fridge. I like to plant them a little deeper. Be very careful not to break those roots. Super, super, super careful. They're very delicate at this stage, and it's easy to kill them. This trick of germinating pears and apples is called stratification. Same thing we do with plums and with peaches. We stratify them, and it's crazy because you wouldn't think it would work. You just take the seeds out of the fruit, stick them into the refrigerator, and put them in a little bit of moist material. In the case of these, we used a little bit of peat moss, but you can use a little bit of potting soil. You don't want it sopping wet. You just put it in and you shut it into a baggie with very slightly moist material and just leave it. And they will sprout usually in 2 to 3 months. Sometimes you will see seeds sprouting directly in a pear or an apple when you get it from the store. That's probably because they were previously chilled. They're probably chilled in storage, which makes them sprout, or that didn't have much of a dormancy period. But most of the time you don't see sprouts.
I want to do this one real quick.
And you just stick them directly into the refrigerator in a little bit of moist medium of some sort. I like peat moss or potting soil better than the moist paper towel thing, which always just seems to mold on me. I prefer this, and it works very well. And then you've got your little seedlings, and when they are this size, I'm gonna just stick them directly into the greenhouse so they don't freeze. That's it. We just take them out of their fridge, we plant them in pots, we water them in, and we stick them someplace warm until the frosts are past, and we just let them grow. They'll be, a few feet tall by the end of this year, and when they go to sleep in the fall and they go dormant, we'll probably transplant them sometime out into the yard, the food forest, the front hedge, the neighbor's yard, into an empty lot, or we give them away, or we sell them, or we trade them, or whatever else. We're always starting trees from seed. We'd love to do it, and I've explained why I like to grow trees from seed many times before, so I won't explain it here other than to say genetic diversity is fantastic, and you might find treasure. And if you don't, just graft on it, so don't worry about it. You're not going to lose anything. Anyhow, if you are interested in being a total cheapskate, starting your own trees from seed, ignoring a lot of the rules, and basically propagating plants just about any way it is possible to propagate plants, check out my book, Free Plants for Everyone, The Good Guide to Plant Propagation, which makes plant propagation fun and easy and will probably save you or make you thousands of dollars. Catch y'all next time. Thanks for joining me. Check out the links below, and until next time, may your thumbs always be green.